You on our channel, just viewers and my dear subscribers. Today I will help you get the biggest bonus up to $515, and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code. And our first step for this, we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code. Next step, we are going to the apps, and if you have an account, then log out of it. It's important for get the biggest bonus up. Tap registration, choose in one click. In menu current country, you need to choose your current country. Mine is United States, current value to US dollar. Select your bonus on sports or casino. Accept. Enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Accept all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. Tap on the green check mark and wait loading for the captcha. Hamnet robots, bicycles. That's all. Verify, and after loading we will see our login and passwords. I recommend you to change it or screenshot this. Go to our final step in account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck to all. Have fun.